Hello, welcome back. This is gonna be vlog A. It's gonna be like a separate series from the actual vlogs. This is I'm just gonna go out around town, shoot some B-roll, play with the drone a little bit, see what we can do for that. Let's have some fun.
Sometimes this place that we call our home lets us fall apart, but we can't let it drop our hearts, 'cause we'll make it through, you and I. We can make it through. Couldn't hold us down, 'cause we fought and we broke it down. And now I'm left all alone, and I can't seem to find my soul.